Breakfast time, breakfast time, breakfast time, breakfast time, breakfast time, breakfast time. Come and get your breakfast on. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today what we have up for review is the Lebron 15 Fruity Pebbles. Now, this shoe is the latest in the Lebron Fruity Pebbles colorway line. We have the Lebron 4 Fruity Pebbles, which is a PE, going for crazy bucks on Flight Club and other sneaker resellers. Like, it's going for crazy amounts of coin right now. This colorway is first debuted by LeBron in an NBA game. And when I first saw it, I thought it was gonna be way too loud, but actually having this colorway in hand, it's really clean and I really enjoy it. I actually am gonna start wearing this. Probably gonna be one of my wear around pairs. The only thing is that LeBrons are just so bulky. If they put this in a low, I may have to cop 3 pairs. All right, guys, let's take a look at the box. The shoe features the standard Lebron 15 box. So it's got the LeBron James graphics and logos all throughout and the color code for this is multicolor and white. All right, let's take a look at the actual shoe. The shoe features a battle knit multicolored upper with white accents, white ankle collar, white tongue, white pull tab, etc., etc. What battle knit is a more upgraded version of fly knit. It's definitely a lot more durable and it's more so made for on-court play. The shoe also features on the tongue the King's Crown LeBron James logo, as well as the number 15. On the inside, which is actually a nice touch for the Fruity Pebbles, is the word family size in kind of like a kid's crayon type of font, I guess. And I actually really like that too. It's a nice little touch for the shoe. The pull tab has the LeBron James signature on it, and it has the translucent heel counter and the white swoosh. The shoe features the white midsole, a smooth white midsole, the full-length airbag on the 3 AirPods, and the icy translucent outsole with the King's Lion logo on the heel. All right, let's get some detailed looks at the shoe. I'll catch you guys after the jump. Lebron 15 Fruity Pebbles hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on March 30th for a retail price of $185. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out Solepost.com for more news, releases, and sneaker info. Additionally, you can like us on social media here. My name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.